even though my mind is my own calendar as well, because honestly, there won't be a better calendar than your mind. Because sometimes you get used to writing things down, and what if you forget your notebook or you forget your phone at home or your diary and you don't remember what you need to do? So it's always important to keep it in mind as well, right?
Hey,
Hello,
hello.
how are you? How are you?
I'm fine. And what about you?
I'm good, thank you. My name is Naomi. How do I pronounce your name?
Uh, Pradeep.
Pradeep. Okay, nice
Yep.
to meet you, Pradeep. Where you
Nice to
from?
meet you too. I'm from India in Agra.
Ah, okay. I'm from South Africa, in Johannesburg.
So, can you explain this? How to keeping a calendar?
Ah, okay. We can go back there. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So basically, this slide is talking about time management. That's
Okay.
one, because time management is very important in business. So, how do you separate your work life and in fact your work life, your family life, and your social life, and how do you uh um
Manage these
what's the
things.
word, yeah, how you manage them, and how do you also in just in business alone at work, how do you decide how to how much time to spend on each task that you have to complete. So it's basically about prioritizing what's more
Okay.
important, what is urgent, what is yeah. So you would use obviously either a calendar that's on your phone or on your computer, or one that's on your wall. You put it up and you separate your different tasks and things you need to do by a certain time on that calendar.
Okay.
Do
Agreed.
you use a calendar?
No, I'm not using a calendar, but I'm using a calendar in my mind because I feel this is urgent work and I have to uh, done. So I started work and completed.
Even though my mind is my own calendar as well, because honestly, there won't be a better calendar than your mind. Because sometimes you get used to writing things down, and what if you forget your notebook or you forget your phone at home or your diary and you don't remember what you need to do? So it's always important to keep it in mind as well, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
But at this time, this is social media is a cover up. So
Yeah, yeah.
this is a
No,
very
absolutely.
big. This is a very big challenge for us.
Yeah, it is, because we get stuck on it and then we lose a lot of time just scrolling the different social media apps. You know, you're on Instagram, then you're on Twitter, and then you're on Facebook. And, you know, before you know it, an hour has passed and you haven't done,
Uh,
um, you know, work. And yeah, it can be quite daunting. And
yeah,
you realize you lose so much time doing nothing actually, because just scrolling and looking at memes.
completely agreed. Completely agreed. So you have any idea how to eliminate this distraction?
Well, one thing to do is when I'm busy working, I will put my phone on silent, and
Okay.
that way I don't receive notifications, so I don't need to look at it. And I will put it in my handbag, and I won't look for it because I know I have to do this task. And I think to myself, you know, usually we hold our phones on us because we tell ourselves that maybe we're going to receive an important message and whatever, and that's when we get distracted. So you put your phone on silent, you put it away from yourself where you're working, and then you do your tasks. If anything is important that someone was calling you about, I believe that they should leave you a message. You understand? So
Agreed.
it's not. Yeah, it's not necessary to you know, to take every single phone call that comes in your way, and at the same time then you also don't have your phone nearby to distract you with the social media.
Agreed, completely agreed. I try
Yeah.
to this type of activity. I take some break without a cell phone and go out for the
Hmm.
walk. And this is another way. So you're not
Yeah,
connected with the.
absolutely. I agree. I agree. Yeah. And we're gonna talk about procrastination. Um,
Okay.
yeah. Do you procrastinate?
Uh,
So that is obviously putting things off until the last minute. And a lot of people procrastinate. I'm one of them. Excuse me.
okay.
Um, yeah, sometimes I have to do something and I know that I've got 3 days. So I'm going to end up doing it the night before the third day. And that's not good. It's not good for business, especially in business management. Because like, maybe you realize you're going to miss a deadline because maybe one of the things that you needed to do required some research or it required more extensive work. And if you procrastinate until the last minute, then obviously, you know, you're not going to find the time to complete that task well, because you're now doing
Agreed,
a rush job. And and you're not like
agreed.
yeah.
Because
So do
you,
you procrastinate?
so I'm
Yeah.
also try because my college assignment given to me. I'm never submitted at the right time. I'm submitted always the uh, date after the submission.
Ah,
Teacher personally mail me your submission not assigned you lost some marks and that. So I take
ah.
and then I take an action and submit it to these assignments.
Yes, I
But
struggled when I was studying as well. I used to submit late, and sometimes I used to submit like when there's like 5 minutes left, and then I
yeah,
submit my
at
assignment.
the last minute. And
Mm,
I'm talking about I'm going to one national level seminar, and where our
mm,
presentation is presentation submission for the selection procedure. So last time in the
mm.
12 p.m. I submitted to 11:58 p.m.
Oh my goodness.
So
Yeah.
but also we are selected in a top 20 teams in all over India, and we are presenting
Hmm.
there, but we not get any position out of 20. We can about the
Mm,
top 5. We not participate get a place in top 5, but we can participate in top
mm.
20 all over India. Yeah, also
Well, it
okay,
was so
man,
lovely to
and
meet you.
yeah, I too. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.